Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces. Today I want to give you a quick tip on electric fireplaces. So, most of our newer linear models, so these long skinny fireplaces, are designed to fit into a 2x6 framing. So your typical wall in your home is generally 2x4, and most of the newer fireplaces are designed to fit into a 2x6 installation. So what if you want to put it into a 2x4 wall that you already have? Let's say you have a wall, it's perfect for a fireplace, you don't want to or cannot for some reason build into the room, and you want to retrofit a fireplace into a 2x4 wall. So we carried three main manufacturers for these linear fireplaces in our showroom: Dimplex, Amati, and Napoleon. So in the Napoleon series, called AlluraVision, they've chosen to make two different models. The CHS for slim would fit into a 2x4 build out, and the CHD for deep would fit into a 2x6 build out. What the other manufacturers have decided to do is to manufacture the fireplaces for a 2x6 wall. So here I'm sitting in front of the Dimplex Ignite series, and the fireplace above me is flush with the wall, so it has the full 6 inches behind it. The fireplace next to me has only 4 inches into our wall, and then you'll see that there's this lip that's sticking out. So what they've done, and Amati has done something very similar, is they've created a semi-flush trim kit. And this trim kit allows you to put 4 inches of your 6-inch fireplace into your wall, so it will fit into a 2x4 wall, and then you add this semi-flush trim kit to take up the 2 inches that's going to stick out of your wall. And that gives it a finished look, and you don't have to think about how to frame out that bit that's going to stick out. So that's your quick tip for linear electric fireplaces for today. There are ways to put a 6-inch fireplace into a 4-inch deep wall, and it varies by manufacturer, but generally speaking, there is a way to do it, at least with the name brands that we carry. So Amati, Dimplex have a semi-flush trim kit. You would not need this trim kit unless you're trying to put a 6-inch fireplace into a 4-inch deep wall. And then Napoleon has two different variations on their AlluraVision series, one for the 4-inch wall and one for the 6-inch wall. So that's your quick tip for today from stylishfireplaces.ca.